Nolo Real Estate Legal Forms Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get overwhelmed by real estate paperwork, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides affordable, reliable legal forms to make buying, selling or renting property simple. Nolo's pricing varies by form, typically ranging from to per document. They also offer an annual subscription for unlimited access to all real estate forms, including leases, purchase agreements, and eviction notices. Each form is tailored to your state, reducing the risk of legal errors. For example, if you're renting out a property, the Nolo residential lease form includes clauses for rent, deposits, maintenance, and termination. Step-by-step instructions guide you through filling out the form correctly, ensuring compliance with local laws. Optional attorney review can be added for extra security. The platform also provides updates when laws change, so you never have to worry about outdated forms. Real estate investors, landlords, and homeowners save both time and legal fees by using these ready-made, legally compliant documents. In conclusion, Nolo delivers strong value by combining affordability, ease of use, and legal reliability. For a modest cost, users gain access to professional-grade real estate forms that simplify transactions and protect their interests, making it a smart choice for anyone managing property.